Okay, I'm going to show you how to open up a webull account using a mobile app. You can start by clicking the link I provided in the description below. Get yourself some free stocks for signing up using my link, or you can open up the app itself. Okay, you're going to register your username with either using your email or your phone number, and they're going to send you a verification code. Punch in that verification code. After you do that, at the bottom of the app, it's going to be a blue button that says open an account. You hit that button, and then at this point, it'll show you how far you have to go to finish completing the process. Hit continue then. Okay, at this point, they're going to ask for some personal information, so you're going to need a picture ID with your information on it. Remember, this is serious business here, though, keep it real. Give them your true information if you want to get your money. In fact, if your socials and all that stuff don't add up, it won't even open an account. Preferably use a driver's license or something like that. You can use a passport too, I believe, but once you do that, you put in your personal information, your address, your social, and all that stuff you see on the screen. Hit continue, and now they're going to ask you for some job information. It's pretty self-explanatory, go through the clicks and put in what you do. Hit continue, and it's going to take you to this page. It says application. They're going to ask you some financial questions. Most of the time, this stuff don't even pertain to most people. If you don't know anything about it, then just hit continue. The webull is saying it right here. If don't worry about it. If you don't know nothing about it, it don't pertain to you. So keep it moving. Click continue. You can go to the next page. They're going to ask you to verify your name and social security number. Just hit I agree. They're going to ask you if you want a margin account or a cash account. I advise you to get a cash account. That way you're investing the cash you put in, opposed to a margin account. That's borrowing money. If you don't want to get into no debt or high risk situations or plays, then I'm advising you to use the money that you put in. But they set it up for the margin account because they automatically want you to borrow. So you have to switch it to the cash account. And I advise you to leave the stocks and the ETFs highlighted. If you would like to trade crypto, then highlight the crypto. Agreement and the disclosures, basically everything that you signing for, You have to digitally sign your name, at this part. And once you do that and submit it, then you're going to have to verify your email address. In a couple of minutes, they should send you a verification to your email address. And with that code, plug that code in. So a verification code will come with your email. Plug that in. Hit next. And then your application should be submitted for approval. Now, a couple minutes after you submit it, it should send you something saying, congratulations, your account has been approved. So the next step will be to put money into your account. And how to do that, it's a button that says to make your first deposit. Okay, the next step will be to deposit your money. The first choice you have is the ACH. That'll be the best if you have a U.S. bank account or whatever your financial institution is. You're going to need to input your information. So once you log into your bank account, it's going to show you all these options right here. They got the, Wells Fargo, PNC, whichever you use, your institution. So once you check which account you want to take money from, whether you have a savings or a checking account, select that, then hit next. Then it's going to bring you to this screen right here. In this screen, you can plug in the amount you want to initially deposit. It might take a day or two before your money actually gets registered. If you do it on a regular working day, you can take about a day and it's there. That's only for the first deposit. Once it's connected, you can switch your money. It'll be there within a minute. Transfer from your account. They'll give you buying power to start purchasing until the money is cleared. So that's a good thing about webull. As soon as you put the money in there, they let you go ahead and start using that money, whether it's cleared or not. All I have to do is set up a trading password, for some security for your account. It's like a six-digit password. Then it's going to actually confirm your date of birth and pick like 3 security questions. And here you go. Your account will be open. So you're going to have money deposited either that day or the next couple of days. So I hope this information was helpful. And if you like this information, please consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, peace, just be love.